summer, easy and light, turning ordinary days into something I like. Blue sky hanging over the town, people moving at an easier pace. Your laughter drifting across the table. Suddenly the whole day changes. Sunlight dancing on the window frame. Your eyes catching every little thing. The afternoon feels